Hi there, welcome.
I want to show you how to create an image text.
If you're new to this channel, my name is Trish. Please take a minute, like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for all future uploads.
So if you bring in your image, you can click on your type tool and you can go ahead and type in whatever you want to type. I'm going to say Paris since this is the Eiffel Tower, and I'm going to just scale it by clicking on my move tool, and my text is activated. I can go ahead and scale it. I want to stretch this font, so I'm going to hold down my shift and I'm just going to scale it like that. Now, you don't have to do that, but I chose to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my image above like so, and I'm going to hold down my options and clip it to my image. And guys, that is it. I'm going to create a new layer so we can have a background, and I'm going to use my bucket and fill that in with white and paint that. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you can click on your image, double click so that the layer style comes up. You can add a drop shadow, you can add a stroke effect, you can even add a bevel and a contour to give your image some character. And I'm going to click OK. Now, the last thing I want to show you is that what if you want a bit of your image extruding out of your font? Well, you can do that very easily. So we are going to make a duplicate of our image. Command J, make a duplicate. Now you want to make a selection of the area. You can use your magic wand and you can quickly make a selection, or you can just use your quick select tool, select subject, and you can add a layer mask. If you just want just the top piece of your Eiffel Tower showing, click on the thumbnail of your layer mask for that image, pick your brush tool, make sure your foreground is black. Now we know black hides when working with layer masks. So with that said, you want to go ahead and begin to erase. So you can just do this, and then that will hide everything else that you don't want. Now I'm just going to brush in here so we can see the R, and I'm going to go ahead and clean this area as well. Now the other thing you can do is that you can just add a gradient effect. So you go to your adjustment, add a gradient, and you can choose whatever color you want, but I'm going to stick with this color, and I'm going to pull that down so it's beneath my text, and add a color lookup. So I'm going to go back to my adjustment, color lookup, and we want to change this one to, we want to change this to a horror blue, so we have this effect. Now look at what happens if you duplicate Command J. You notice that it really transforms your image. So guys, I hope that this was very helpful. Simple, but this is an effective way to transform your text from just the basic way that we typically use our type tool to create our font. So I hope this was helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe. Guys, don't forget to share this with your friends so that they can also learn these cool tips and tricks. So till next time, please be safe, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.